In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a domain on Shopify. Whether you're tidying up your digital portfolio or moving to a new platform, it's important to know how to manage your domains effectively. By the end of this guide, you'll feel confident in canceling a domain from your Shopify account. Let's get started. First, let's make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on your main dashboard. This is your home base where you manage everything related to your online store. Look carefully at the left-hand side menu. From there, you want to click on Settings. This will lead you to a variety of options for configuring your store and account preferences. Now, in the Settings section, look for Domains and give it a click. This area will show you all the domains currently associated with your Shopify store. You'll see your primary domain at the top, followed by any other domains you've added over time. It's crucial to identify the exact domain you wish to cancel to avoid any unintended disruptions. Once you've located the domain you want to cancel, click on Manage. You'll be navigated to the page with specific details about this domain. Here, you have the option to review the expiration date and renewal settings, which is helpful for ensuring you're making the right choice in moving forward with the cancellation. Take a moment to double-check that this is indeed the domain you wish to cancel. Missteps can be costly, especially if the domain represents your brand or holds SEO value. If everything looks right, you'll find an option labeled Remove or Transfer. While we won't be transferring today, it's good to know where these controls are located in case that need arises in the future. Go ahead and click Remove. A prompt will pop up, and Shopify will ask you to confirm this action. The platform wants to be sure you're making this decision intentionally since removing a domain is irreversible. Confirm the operation when you're ready. Once confirmed, Shopify won't renew this domain, and it won't be linked to your store anymore. If at any point, you decide to add the domain back or link another domain, Shopify makes it just as straightforward. Keep in mind, though, if you cancel and then decide you want the domain back later, someone else might snap it up unless you've reserved it elsewhere. It's also wise to check with your original domain provider, as canceling it on Shopify doesn't necessarily terminate your registration with them. And there you have it. You've successfully canceled your domain on Shopify. Remember, cleaning up your domain list every now and then helps streamline your business operations, keeping your online presence neat and manageable. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this process was simple and stress-free. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a great day!